So before this tour started, I said I've got this song and it's called No One Likes a Fat Pop Star. And what I want to do is, I want to get in a fat suit and be hung up above the audience. Every night the audience are going to go, ha 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 ha. What they didn't tell me was the contraption that puts me up here makes my balls go back into my stomach. Every fucking night. No breakfast, no luncheon, just carpet time munching. A thimble of self-esteem. And it costs a fortune, this place nothing for afters. The absence of laughter, the thinnest that I've ever been.